Let's ground in by first getting into a comfortable position, whether that is laying down or sitting up, whatever feels most comfortable and natural to you. Once you have found a comfortable position, place your palms down in your lap. Let go of the day thus far. Be present in this moment and beautiful time that you have carved out for yourself. If your mind starts to drift, that's okay. We're all human. When you feel this starting to happen, say, "I am here," and focus on your breath. When it feels good, take a deep breath in, hold it, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out any stress or tension you might be feeling in this present moment. Now, take the deepest breath you've taken all day. Breathe in, hold it, and sigh as you breathe out. Now, let's do that one more time. Deeply breathe in, hold it, and sigh as you exhale. Amazing. Now continue to breathe deeply in a way that feels good and natural to you. I am the emperor of my thoughts. My thoughts do not control me. I know that I have so much power over my thoughts. My anxiety does not define me. It is a part of my being that makes me stronger. It is okay to have moments of anxiousness. It is a part of my beauty. I am ever powerful and strong. My strength can move mountains. I am an amazing, beautiful person. Now breathe that strength in and out. Continue to embrace your strength as you breathe in, hold it, and out. I am a doorway for opportunity and joy. Good things are flowing to me right now. Everything is working in my favor in divine timing. Continue to breathe in this abundance and call in your blessings. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out in a way that feels so good and natural to you. I am a vessel for joy. I was put on this earth to have a happy and fulfilling life. Rays of sunshine are flowing through me right now. Envision the sunshine hitting your skin and seeping into your body. Feel the sunshine flowing throughout your body, into your arms, your stomach, your legs, your head, all around. Feel the sunshine bless your beautiful body. I am so powerful and blessed. Each day I grow stronger and stronger. I am a vessel for abundance. Sunshine continues to flow through me. I choose joy. I choose happiness. I choose sunshine. I choose peace. I choose me. Continue to feel the sunshine flow throughout your body as you return to a normal breathing pattern as we wrap up this meditation. Remember how good it feels to have the sunshine flowing through your body. Congratulations, you have finished this amazing practice. I'm so proud of you for carving out this time for yourself. Have an amazing rest of your day, you beautiful soul.